Hola, kindergartners and parents of kindergartners. Welcome to the Spanish lesson for rotation 35. After you're done watching this instructional video, your student will be doing a Nearpod today. And kindergartners, you've done Nearpods in class before, but they look a little bit different when you're doing them at home, so I'm going to show you what I mean. Your first job is to click the Nearpod link. It brings you to a new page where it asks you to enter a code. And you can find this code at the top where it says MLPJT. Type it in, then you click join. After you click join, it's going to ask for a name or a nickname. And here you're going to click it and type in your first name. So I'll pretend that my first name is Max. Once you have your name in, you click the blue join session button and you can see the Nearpod. Now on the self-paced Nearpod at home, you see two blue arrows at the sides of your screen. You get to control when you move on to the next page. So on this page, there's nothing for me to do. I'm going to click an arrow and move on. On this page, however, I see a little play button at the bottom. Now, anytime you see a play button, I want you to click it because it's going to read something to you.
La gallinita roja. What colors do you know in Spanish? Can you look at the colors on the right and try to name a few in Spanish?
And once you're done with that, you can click the blue arrow and move on to the next page. And if there's a play button, I want you to click play every time.
El gato. On the next slide, you get to draw el gato. Meow. El gato.
I'm done with this. I'll click the arrow and, just like the instructions say, it says dibuja el gato, or draw the cat. So using my finger, I can draw a little gato on here. Doing my best, but it doesn't need to be perfect. And when I'm done, I can click submit and move on to the next page. El pato. El pato.
Quack, quack.
And you get to move through this Nearpod at your own speed. And there are a few different activities on here. This one is a virtual field trip where you get to look around on your iPad. And it shows that that was a perro. There's one video on here. And I've heard some feedback from different families that some videos aren't working. So if a video doesn't work for you, in the upper right, there's a button that says copy link. And I want you to click the copy link, and it says link copy to clipboard. And then you can try opening this, copy and paste the link in a new window, and it should work for you on a different window in Safari. However, if it still doesn't work for you, I just want you to skip it and move on to something that does work. Once you're finished with this Nearpod, you have done the Spanish lesson for today. I hope these instructions help, and I hope you are all staying safe. Thank you.